Okay, so I want to show you how to unlink and delete your responses in a Google form. If you go to your response page, the reason I like to do this is it helps. I don't want a bunch of different tests out there, so I'll keep the same test and then put the spreadsheets in a different place. So if you click on the dots right here, you can unlink your form, and of course just click unlink. And then I like to also, once I have all the data, okay, I'll just delete all responses. And you can download all your responses as well to the CSV file, which is an Excel file, and then delete all responses. And yes, you can undo it, just make sure you're aware of that. And then they're all gone. So it helps me just to keep one test at a time with each chapter or unit, and then my spreadsheet, I just create different ones for that. So hope that helps.